So here's the Jeep, and you could really smell the fuel, and it was actually dripping off the bottom of the gas tank. And if we come down under here and look up there, you can see the fuel filter. There it is. And if we can see that piece back there, that metal part, that's the rusting one that came off. So I'm going to try to just get that off so I don't have to deal with the fuel filter. Now here's the whole kit. This comes straight. I just bent that. There's the part numbers. This is the fitting we're looking at. Sorry, this goes right there. And those are locked. So to get it off, we slip this on there, and we push it that way. And that pushes up those little clips and allows us to pull it off. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to see if I can get it on the fuel filter that's under the car. I also bought this brass compression fitting for nylon, 5/16 nylon hardlines. It's much easier to work with under the car. Alright, so I was able to just peel off the pieces of that connector. And so now I have just the hose. And so now I'm going to need to cut the hose back here and slip those compression fittings on and then cut the other one to the right length. So let's go get stuff. So here's the piece I just cut up. There's the new piece right there, right? That's going to go on back there. There we are. That was a real pain to get on. But there we are. Now hopefully we don't have any more fuel leaks.